furry M17A2 assault camera, the most powerful assault camera on the market. Now made even more employment lethal with its sleek new lightweight U-shaped design, full 360-degree targeting, the body constructed of durable T6 aircraft aluminum, capable of surviving hundreds of constitutional violating arrest tackles. The futuristic design allows for the mounting of not only the primary assault camera, but also an additional supporting secondary smaller caliber assault camera for optimal accuracy. The primary
Bosque, you'll notice something different. A camera system that the city has now placed in the middle of the Bosque to 1, help deter crime, 2, catch people doing things they probably shouldn't be doing in the Bosque, and they placed it in a very specific area.
We had a number of fires started in this area.
So bad, the city of Pittsburgh said it was time to get surveillance cameras. More than a dozen cameras are going up. This comes after a series of shootings, including one that killed a woman in May.
Get rid of their red light and their speed cameras. WLWT News 5's Tammy Mutasa leading the way with today's lawsuit.